G'day everyone, the Global Surveyor here. I'm out here on the banks of the Hawkesbury River, New South Wales, Australia. And you can see this nice brand new roadway here. We've got some concrete block, retaining wall, road barrier, some shotcrete there to stabilise the ground, as you can see there. And the reason we have this here is because this area got smashed by the floods a couple of years ago, and Greens Road has just been repaired and reinstated, and you can see the drainage pits there under the road. Quite groovy. Well, what's even more groovier are these monitoring prisms that the surveyor that was working on the site has set up. You can see one here. It's like a circular prism mounted in the rock, a shotcrete, and we've got more here. In fact, we've got quite a few. You can see the Leica circular prism mounted on a Leica spigot and a 5/8 thread bolt fixed into the concrete here, and we've got quite a few of these. And the reason that these have been installed, you can actually see one here. Here's another one. Is for monitoring, to make sure, there we go. I want to make sure that the wall is stable, and I think the surveyors would be coming back here maybe once every couple of months, probably in the early times, shortly after it was constructed, there would have been more frequently. So they'd be on the other side of the river reading bearings and distances to these targets, and there's actually quite a few. There's another one down here. And these are for monitoring, as I said. There's one there, there's one there, one there, one there, one there. I probably can count another 10 or 15 easily along that wall, maybe 20 or 30 as we go down there. Got another one here. So there's been quite a bit of investment from a survey point of view to ensure that this fantastically brand new concrete block retaining wall, great improvement to Greens Road, stays put, and that information can get relayed back to the engineers, who will then make an assessment as to whether something else needs to be done. Have some other little marks there too, which obviously means something. Surveyors that were working on this would have their control marks all over the place. And the prisms they're using, you can see they've been here for quite some time, because look at the cobwebs. So it's quite possible that they haven't been on this side of the road for any reason. They just set up over there. A lot easier to see from over that side of the river and to read all of these marks. Here's another one here. Again, haven't been used for a while, but fixed on the shotcrete there. So again, quite a bit of investment, but that's what surveyors do. We're employed to do lots of interesting jobs, whether it's marking boundaries, like so, there's a survey peg there, or monitoring, or being on building sites, or out here by the banks of the Hawkesbury River. Surveying is a pretty interesting career, and if you're always looking for something, you're sick of being in an office and you're looking for a career change, well, why not choose surveying? Because it can really take you to some amazing places. Like, check out these rocks. Check out the rocks. So today's little video just to show you some of the exciting things surveyors do, monitoring the movement of this fantastic brand new concrete block retaining wall here on Greens Road, Lower Portland, New South Wales, Australia. There's another monitoring prism up there. If you happen to be the surveyor watching this who may have put these prisms in, give me a hoy. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Make sure you like, hit subscribe, leave me a comment. I'm the Global Surveyor. See you later.